My Market Kitchen on 10 Network continues to go from strength to strength. The entertaining and informative cooking format is the main reason behind its success. In 2018, My Market Kitchen continues to work with leading brands Ensure and Glucerna. Recipes developed by accredited dietitians Joel Ferrin and Nicole Senior ensure that every dish tastes great and helps to keep you healthy. My Market Kitchen airs weekdays in the popular shouldered prime time slot of 3:30 to 4 p.m. Last year's series reached a staggering 4.9 million viewers, or 820,000 per week. 68% of this audience fits into the perfect grocery buyer demographic. My Market Kitchen's web traffic hits over 4,000 unique visitors each week and over 18,000 unique page views. The Abbott brand of products are enjoying a specific dedicated viewer reach, helping spread the message that great recipes can be wonderful to taste, easy to prepare, giving vital everyday nutritional requirements.